twice it happened, yeah. On one side of the keyboard, and then the next time it was on the other side of the keyboard. Got those all screwed in. What do we do?
Alright, let's open up Windows now.
Yeah, don't do that on camera, because it's a product key.
I know, it's on the basement. Oh, it's on the inside too, like when you open the envelope.
Yeah, it's like right in there. Oh, mine was.
Dude, it's refurbished too. Yeah, look away.
You look away.
Oh, here it is. I was scared. This is the HDMI cords. I was scared. I'm like, wait, there's just a cord. Alright, wait, I think here's the product key. Here, you want to see it?
Nope.
Psych. Alright, we'll keep it face down. You'll be good. Don't. Yeah, hold it over here.
Yeah, this screw is not like 100% straight.
Which one?
It's like
This is just
it's like curled. The screw is not straight. Like the actual screw isn't straight. All right, where's the face plate? I didn't put it in yet.
Here.
No, not that. Or the back plate, whatever the heck you call it.
Oh, I put it on.
Just go on there. What are you doing? This cord. Did you order case fans?
No, these came with it.
Oh, you didn't order any more?
No.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think this has a spot for it unless you want to like zip tie right there.
Or
It's not all the way.
is it this side that's not going on?
It's on.
Oh, it is. I thought you said it's not.
I said I think it's not all the way. All right, grab all these. Grab
Which
all
ones?
these standoffs,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna see what holes this goes into. All right. Goes into. Could screw them in all the way. That one doesn't have a screw, Matt.
This one?
That one doesn't. This one.
There's
wait,
6 of them.
wait, this one does. This one does. Yeah, and then.
This one?
Wait, hold on a
Thanks.
second. No, hold on. Did you put that in? All
I
the
think-
way. You
yeah, I think-
didn't. You cross-threaded both of these, dude.
No.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
I can't even get it. Should just brought a socket and put it in.
Yeah.
Probably like a 4. Yeah, you did.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You don't have to have all of them in if you don't have that many. Put that one in, and then we'll put.
This. I think this one.
Yeah,
'cause-
that one does.
What? There's the hoop.
Let me put it in.
I got it.
Then this one,
Got that one. How many more we got?
one, and I'll put that one on the bottom. This one. There's no more. There's not one more. Yeah, there is.
That's it. Look at these bags out, yo. Here. I found another one too.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're done.
That was
Then
a
grab
square.
all of the wait. Yeah, it's these flat ones. See those screws? Find all those. Well, at least you got thermal paste.
Yeah. It's
Hopefully. We can always just turn it to where if it overheats, it shuts off instead of catching on fire. You know what's really annoying? These things that you have to bend. Well, maybe. Maybe this motherboard will fit. Sometimes you have to bend them all. Yeah, this motherboard will fit with those in there. I hope. Yeah, it will.
You can take them off and just bend them in really quick.
Yeah, but then sometimes the motherboard doesn't sit right either. You'll be fine.
Alright. Are these flat ones?
The other ones.
This one.
That one. Yeah, like
Okay.
the rounded ones. Give me the screwdriver.
And autos on one, don't try to, huh?
It's fine.
How many you need?
We really should have magnetized the screwdriver. Except
magnets on
we're on the hard drive. Erasing all your stuff that's not on there.
Yeah, man.
Give me a couple of these. Take one more. Hold these cords back. Get the corners.
Yeah, you gotta push it. Yeah.
Really?
Right.
Went in the hole. Oh, let's take the back plate off later. Doing. What the heck? Come on.
Here.
This is like really annoying.
Here, I got it in place. Here, I'll start.
There we go. I don't think the back plate was in all the way.
Here, put one straight in
Oh my
Drop 'em
gosh.
all over the place. Yeah, I got one.
Alright, we dropped 2 so far. Did you just drop another one? Oh no.
Alright.
Come on. Here we go.
Oh, there's under these clips right here.
Yeah, but that goes to the back, so let's
So
take the
just
back
take the
off.
back off.
Well, one of them should be. I might be able to get them back out. There's one. Yeah, let's take the back plate off.
Oh, wait, is that it?
No.
No, it's just the cord that, okay. Or should I type this down?
Just snug here. Just. Oh,
Might need a little bit more.
oh, what the heck? Just like snug.
Okay.
Where are they? There's one. Here, give me the screwdriver. Oh, yours got the 8 plug thing. Most motherboards don't have that.
Yeah, dude, this was cheap too. Like 130 bucks for
With
the whole set.
Yeah. See how tight you got this one. Oh, you're good.
Alright,
All of them are in.
2, 4, 6. Yeah.
We got the Raspberry Pi life.
Yeah, it is. It said it was like ideal for the Raspberry Pi. So we can route this inside.
No, you don't have the right adapter. But you could. But it might slow down the speed a little bit.
I'll start in the back then.
Section not a bad power supply. Well, it doesn't seem like it. Oh. It's gotta stay in there. Wrong way. Get that part of the way in. Stick that one in. There you go. That's in, right? Yeah. Find the 8 plug one. It might be 2 4s. It probably is 2 4s. There's a SATA.
Alright.
Wait, why does this have...
That's for all the front.
Yeah, but that's a SATA port. Oh, you got a SATA port on the front. Okay, that's why. Most cases don't have that either. I got it. It's this one, I think, yeah. See, most motherboards only use 4 of these. Yours uses 8. Alright. And then...
SATAs.
This is twisted. No, it's not.
We'll zip time together.
Actually, yeah, let me plug all these in before we get wires everywhere. Is there 2 USBs? Yeah. USB. Yeah, these are both the same.
Should I just leave this twist tied because it just goes right here?
Yeah. Well,
it's
that
black
one goes.
All
no,
right.
that doesn't matter. It says fan. Yeah.
CPU fan and then system fan 1.
Oh.
And then here's fan 2, system fan 2.
No, that's not. Wait, yours has 2 fans?
Yeah, one right here and then one port right here.
That one goes there.
Yeah.
And then your other fan, this one. Is this front one an LED?
It's only 3 pin, does that matter?
What is, the fan?
This input, yeah.
That's not going to plug in then. Well. Yeah, that is a problem. Is this fan too? Yeah. Well, heck. I hate when
I
fans
need
do
some
that.
new fans.
Yeah, cause do you have an old computer that's garbage?
No, I don't. This sucks.
Because I could just solder a new connection. Yeah, that's a problem. Alright.
Well, let's get everything together now and then I'll just take these fans out now. I'll put these on eBay, huh?
You're gonna get like $1. Where are we going? The Harbor Freight?
Yeah,
Is there like a Best Buy anywhere nearby or a computer store?
What is that? That's down Larkin, so...
I don't know why there's glue on here. Power switch.
There might be. See if we can find. Harbor Freight. I think Menards might have these.
No, they wouldn't.
They wouldn't?
No.
I thought they'd have them in their electrical department.
Not these.
So we need 4 pin.
LED.
So...
Or just the normal plugs, which I thought these fans were. But power switch. LED.
I want to just leave like this side open if we wanted to load Windows so it wouldn't overheat too much.
It's probably not even gonna overheat anyways.
We'll see if we can pick up 120 fans today. There's bound to be a place now. You know, we could go to Velocita.
They sell that?
They're bound to. I think they always have packages by the door and stuff.
Where is the
That's right on.
No, where's the
I
manual for the motherboard?
Should be in the box still.
Because these are labeled like really weird.
It's got the ports on the back. Yeah. Is there any Radio Shacks still open?
No. Power switch.
I think there's one in the mall, but I think it might have changed to like a Best Buy Mobile, actually.
You know, it would help if this was actually labeled properly. There we go. That needs to go here. And then this LED needs to, this one goes here. Yeah, I bet you Velocity would have these. It's just fans.
120s. Yeah, we can stop there. We'll pass it on the way to Harbor Freight anyway, so. Do certain 120mm fans, do the borders of them, like the frame, do they vary?
No.
Alright, because I was going to say, these... Dude, a LED blue one, and...
Why don't you just get 2 LED blues?
I don't want the LEDs.
But just don't get an LED.
Yeah, well, I'll just need 4-port one. That's about it.
Oh, you don't want an LED? Why, those look cool. Oh, you could put more fans on here in the front.
Yeah, on the front and the sides. I don't know, maybe an LED for the front so you can actually see it, but the rest of them, you know.
It's nice when they're in the back, because
Well,
then if
here,
it's
let's-
underneath the desk, you can see the ports to plug in. That's why I like it. That's why I always put like an LED fan in here.
I'll do that. Yeah. Well, here, let's look how many fans we can get. So if we go to Velocita, we can just.
Do they have a website?
Yeah.
Go on there. We can get up to 4.
In this case, total.
Yeah.
I know it says on the site it's 2 120s, and then what is this?
Those are 120s too.
Is this even a bracket mount? This is just the design of it. So it all just fits 120s then?
Yeah. That's what it looks like to me.
Yeah, they got a website. Okay.
Say it
Oh, they're
cables.
closing at noon.
What time is it?
11:30.
They close at noon?
Yeah.
Do you want to go right now and get them?
Oh, you ripping. We're gonna have to rip there. I'll have to call them.
Yeah, call them and ask them right now. Just call them right now.
Yeah, we're going to the computer.
Hurry up. Oh, actually, I need one of these open.
My dad doesn't everyone there.
Does he?
He always goes. They do
They're what?